everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Rainbows and Butterflies. Today we are going to learn how to crochet this small butterfly applique. Now before we get started, if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to never miss a crochet tutorial. Now for this tutorial, I'm using crochet hook 4 millimeters. You can use any crochet yarn, but for this tutorial I'm using crochet 4-ply cotton yarn. So let's get started. We begin with a magic circle. Now for those of you who do not know how to work a magic circle, I have a video on that as well. I will leave the link to that video in the description box below. Now once you have your magic circle, you need to chain 5. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now you have your chain 5. Now for the next stitch, we are going to work a double treble crochet. Now for that, you need to yarn over 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. Now you insert your hook into the circle, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now on your hook you have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 loops. You need to yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you're left with 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you're left with 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. So that's your double treble crochet. Now the next 2 stitches we are going to work treble crochets. For that you yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. That's your first triple crochet. We are working 1 more. Again, yarn over twice. You insert your hook into the magic circle. Yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. And now for the next stitch, we're going to work a double crochet. So that's 1 double crochet. And now you chain 2. And you need to work a slip stitch into the magic circle. It's right here. After your slip stitch, you need to chain 2, 1 and 2. You need to work 1 double crochet into the circle. That's 1. And now you need to work 1 triple crochet into the circle. For that again, you yarn over twice. Insert your hook, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. And now you chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. And again you need to work a slip stitch into the magic circle. After the slip stitch, you need to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now you need to work 1 triple crochet Again, yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. After the triple crochet, you need to work 1 double crochet. And now you chain 2 and you work a slip stitch in the circle again. Now after your slip stitch, you need to chain 2, 1 and 2. Now you work a double crochet. And now you need to work 2 triple crochets. For that, you yarn over twice. That's 1 triple crochet. And again, this is the second one. Now after the 2 triple crochets, you need to work 1 double triple crochet like we did in the first stitch here. So for that, you need to yarn over 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. Insert your hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Now you need to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And you work a slip stitch into the circle, the magic ring. And you chain 1 and you need to cut your yarn. Now after you cut your yarn, you need to pull the loose end of the magic circle to close the circle like this. And now you have your butterfly. After you pull the loose end, you need to tie it up to secure your stitches, and you need to pull in your loose threads. Now once you have your loose ends taken care of, you take a different color yarn and you need to go around once, and this is the second. Cut it off if you have a long yarn like I just did, and you just need to tie it up on top here. That's a small knot and one more. Just level up the yarn and you have your crochet butterfly ready. We've completed making the crochet butterfly. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.